But what?
Right now, we're in a tornado watch.
In a boy. In a boy.
And the damn Foy, too. This is Mandy's free sweet tea that I'm about to move.
This is my last meal.
We
We're at supper right now.
We try to get our workout on.
We
Look at my hair. It's a mess. You know it's raining, but my hair looks like that.
Have you seen this? Look at this. From changing the tire, you know, in the wind.
Yeah, Bryce got some badass karma this morning. Anyways,
Tire.
we're waiting for the tornado warning watch or whatever to go back into the
Locker room.
locker room. Mandy should take a shower.
Yeah, Mary needs to take a shower. I got work today. I should just walk outside though and get my shower. Look how big my arm looks. Oh, you was too much my sister.
Oh yeah, showing missiles.
Okay, hold up. Not cute.
Unless,
Do you
oh my
throw
god,
up right there?
what guy wants that? Watch like, all the guys be comment on this. I want that.
It probably didn't even look that intense in there.
We have to pause this and go watch it back. Holla.